Hello and welcome to our software tutorial series, how to use the training login ID within the tax preparation software. In this tutorial, you will learn how to determine the requirements for the Training Electronic Filing Center, create Social Security numbers for the Training Electronic Filing Center, access and complete workshop returns, and receive acknowledgments. The Training Electronic Filing Center allows you to prepare practice returns, simulate transmitting returns, and receiving acknowledgments. You must log in as training or another user assigned to the training group in order to prepare returns to transmit to the Training Electronic Filing Center, or to get acknowledgments from the Training Electronic Filing Center. Remember, all users, including users assigned to the training group, must have a password. For this tutorial, we are going to use the training user. To prepare a practice return in the training user, the Social Security number must be made up of a combination of any digits for the first 3 digits and your EFIN entered on the setup screen as the last 6 digits. To create a new return as a training user, use one of the following steps. Open the File menu, select Start a New Return. Click on the New Return button on the menu bar. Use the Ctrl+N keyboard shortcut, or click on the Start a New Return link on the software's home page. After clicking on Start a New Return, the entry field for the primary taxpayer's Social Security number will appear. Enter the number. The cursor will move to the Rekey Social Security number field. Re-enter the number. Click OK. The main information sheet of the return will appear on screen. The primary taxpayer's Social Security number field will have the number you entered when starting the return displayed. Remember that the Social Security numbers you use for your practice returns can begin with random numbers but will always end with your EFIN. Also check to see that you have entered all source documents such as W-2s and 1099s. Once you have completed the return, click the Diagnostics button to show any errors that require fixing. Once you have cleared any diagnostic errors, click the e-file button. The status window will appear indicating that the e-files have been created and are awaiting transmission. You are now ready to send the e-files. Click Close Return to exit the return. To send a return as a training user to the Electronic Filing Center, use one of the following steps. Click on the Communications link on the software's home page. Click on the Send Federal State Returns link. Open the Communications menu. Select Send Federal State Returns to, or use the Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm connection to the Training Electronic Filing Center. Select the return or returns that you would like to send. After selecting the files, click Send. The e-file submission report will display. You can print the report if you like for your records. Close the report. A box will display asking you to click Yes to complete transmission. If you wish to cancel, click No. For the purposes of this exercise, click Yes. The Electronic Filing Center dialog box will appear and go through the steps of transmission. When it has finished successfully, click Close. After that, the status box indicating that e-files have just been transmitted will appear. Click OK to close that window. To get acknowledgments without transmitting e-files, do the following steps. On the home page, click the Communications link, and then click the Get Acts, Mail, or Updates link, or click the Communications menu, and click Get Acts, Mail, and Updates. You can also press the Ctrl and G key on your keyboard. The software displays the Electronic Filing Center dialog box, which shows the progress of the communication. When the communication session ends, click Close. The software now automatically processes any acknowledgement files you received from the Electronic Filing Center and updates the return status information. It is recommended that you maintain a paper copy of each acknowledgement. If the option to automatically print acknowledgements is not selected in the Setup options, open the Reports menu and then select Acknowledgements. This window will display any acts that are pending and need to be processed. Select the act to process. Click OK. The report for this act will display. If you choose to print the acknowledgement, click the print icon. When the print box appears, click the print button. click the Next Page button to advance to the next page. Any rejection information will be displayed here. In this tutorial, we have gone over how to log in as a training user, create Social Security numbers for the Training Electronic Filing Center, access and complete returns to be sent to the Training EFC, and receive acknowledgments from the Training EFC. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.